Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a beautiful birthday card we're making. I've used this stamp set a ton of times. I just love it. It makes such simple, beautiful cards. So let's get started. It's Happiest of Birthdays. And it's this lovely big birthday. And we're going to stamp it in Fresh Freesia, because that's the colour of our card base that we'll be using. Give it a good ink up. Make sure we don't miss any bits. Good press down because it's a large stamp. And I'm going to give it a second inking because I just want to deepen the colour a bit. I really love this colour. This is a new in colour in the new catalogue, Fresh Freesia, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So close up my ink pad. And then I'm going to cut this out, whoops, sorry about that, using the rectangular stitch dies, and I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to put that through my die cutting machine and I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut that out, so time to assemble. Here's our card base, and this is Fresh Freesia. And as I said, excuse me, this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and folded in half. And then I've got some of the designer series paper. This is the Pansy paper. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to stick this down. This measures 10 centimeters by 14.35. Look at this, so pretty, such pretty paper. I'm so glad this was available in our pre-order that we could get, because I absolutely love it. And then I'm just going to stick down this. You could pop this up, but it's quite a big piece to pop up using dimensional, so of course you could use some of the foam sheet that we sell as well. But I'm just going to have a very flat card like this, and I'll add some dimension using my pretty Freesia ribbon. This is an open weave ribbon and it's gorgeous. So we're just going to tie a bow. And this is the in colour ribbon, and it comes in all of the in colours. So you've got Evening Evergreen, Pale, Pawpaw or Papaya, whichever you want to call it. In South Africa we call it Pawpaw, we don't call it Papaya. And then you've got Evening Evergreen, as I said, Soft Succulent, Polished Pink, Fresh Freesia. I think I've missed one out, but you get the picture. They are really lovely. So I'm going to stick this down now with some glue dots. What would we do without our glue dots? They are fabulous, aren't they? I think I can trim this tail a bit. He's a bit too long. There, give him a little trim, little haircut. I'm filming this on the whatever date, the 23rd of April. Oh, I loved it last week when I could get my hair cut. Oh, it was just wonderful. It was so long and such a mess because it hadn't been done since middle of November. So I was really happy to have my hair done. She's a mobile hairdresser, and so she just came and did it here at her house, which is really useful. But she's really safe. She even did a test before she came and everything. And it was brilliant. Just so pleased to have my hair cut, I tell you. Made such a difference, not having to struggle with my hair. And if you're a woman, you'll know exactly what I mean. So there you go, 2 pretty little birthday cards. Off to send to somebody and brighten their day, hopefully. So thank you. I really hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, the supply list, measurements, maybe the link to my online shop, it'll all be in the description box below, including my link to my Facebook group, where I host a monthly online card club where we make projects like this all together using Facebook Live. So do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.